Most people think improving a woodworking shop means spending hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars. A new table saw. A bigger dust collector. A premium router. But after years of woodworking, I've learned something surprising. Some of the biggest improvements in my workshop cost less than $50. Seriously. These aren't flashy upgrades. They're not the kind of tools that get thousands of likes on Instagram. But they've saved me time, reduced mistakes, and honestly made woodworking far more enjoyable. Today, I'm sharing the 5 under $50 upgrades that completely changed the way I work. And trust me, the number one upgrade costs less than dinner for two. Let's get started. Number 5. Magnetic tool holders. This might be the simplest upgrade in my entire shop. Before installing magnetic tool strips, my chisels, screwdrivers, and measuring tools were constantly disappearing. Not because they were lost, but because they were buried under other tools. Now everything I use every day is right in front of me. No digging through drawers. No wasting 5 minutes looking for a pencil. No clutter on the workbench. It's amazing how much faster your workflow becomes when every tool has a permanent home. Sometimes productivity isn't about working harder. It's about searching less. Now here's something I didn't expect. The next upgrade didn't just make my shop cleaner, it actually made my cuts more accurate. Number 4. Better shop lighting. Most beginner workshops have plenty of tools, but terrible lighting. I used to think my projects looked fine. Then I upgraded my lights. Suddenly I could actually see sanding scratches. Glue squeeze out. Small gaps in joints. Tiny layout mistakes. Problems that had always been there. I just couldn't see them. Good lighting doesn't improve your woodworking skills. It helps you notice problems before they become expensive mistakes. And for under $50, it's one of the highest value upgrades you can make. Number 3. Silicone project mats. At first, I thought these were unnecessary. Then I started using one. Glue doesn't stick to it. Finish wipes right off. Small parts don't slide around as easily. And my workbench stays much cleaner. It's one of those upgrades you barely think about, until you go back to working without it. Sometimes the best workshop improvements aren't exciting. They're simply convenient. And convenience adds up over hundreds of projects. So far we've talked about organization, visibility, and cleanliness. But the next upgrade actually improved every single glue up I do. And it's something I wish I had bought years earlier. Because it solved one of the most frustrating problems in woodworking.